Hi everybody, welcome to HeatMyShorts. I hope you're having a great day today. I have a little problem on my hands. Well, 9 little problems actually. Got 9 orange habaneros here. And they really want to be eaten. It's the first video like this that I've done. It's not exactly pod season where I live. But I've been watching a lot of Chase the Heat this week, and Johnny Scoville got a whole bunch of pods in the mail from Tom Broom, and I was a little jealous of that. My neighborhood doesn't have a whole lot of Superhots for sale. I actually couldn't find any. All I was able to find are these orange habaneros, and that's what's usually available in my city. So, I'm not going to promise that I'm going to eat all 9 of them, but I'm going to eat as many as I can right now for you. I will not be using my Chase the Heat spoon today. I will actually be using this little knife that I made. If you watch Chase the Heat at all, you will no doubt recognize this as something similar to what Johnny uses. He uses a Grimfrost knife for cutting peppers, and when I saw his, I fell in love with it and had to make one of my own. So I chopped this out of the blade of an old kitchen knife and made a sheath out of a couple of tags from jeans, crimped them together with a bunch of Bic lighter, top caps, and strung it all together with a shoelace. So here's my poor man's Grimfrost knife. This is what I will be using to cut my peppers with today. I'm not going to start a timer or anything like that because this is no official challenge. This isn't really actually a challenge. These aren't even Superhots, but you know, I just kind of wanted to do a pepper video. So here we go. Let's cut the first one. I'm kind of excited about this actually because I get to show you a pepper for the first time on camera as well. Here is number 1. Yeah, these are just orange habaneros. If my memory serves me correctly, I believe these are usually around 100 to 350,000 Scovilles. I'll have to look that up though. I should have done some research before I started this, but I was excited. So here's pepper number 1, orange habanero. I actually got these at Save on Foods in my city, so if you want to find something like this, you could probably find these pretty easily. Here's pepper number 1. Cheers, you guys. They're so fruity. Like, don't get me wrong, it definitely moves my needle just eating one of those. That was a 1. They're so good. If you're not familiar with orange habaneros, they're fruity, juicy, very sweet. I should actually be eating the big ones first, otherwise I'm just gonna... I mean, either way, it doesn't really matter. They definitely have heat to them. I'd say I'm at a 2 now. Get into the next one here. I'm not gonna lie to you. I highly doubt that I'm gonna get through all 9 of these. There's another one. Look at that, eh? Good looking peppers. Number 2. This one's bigger. Starting from the other end here. I wore a shirt with sleeves because it's actually a little chilly in here. But it's warming up fast now. That's 2 peppers down, and I'm at like a 4 or 5 already. The tongue and down the back of the throat is what's really, really spicy. Dog hair on that one. You probably see me do that a lot on my videos, picking dog hairs off of things. Most of the time I don't even need to do it. It's just on the outside of a hot sauce bottle or something, but I just do it thinking that you can see it and that you're all noticing it. But when I go back and watch the videos, it just looks like I'm poking at the bottle or whatever. It's kind of funny. My heat is climbing fast, I'll be honest with you. Yeah, I'm at a 5 or a 6 out of 10 now, I would say. There's no way I'll be able to get these all down. I'm glad I didn't really officially call this a challenge. Although, there will be failures in challenges. My throat is just on fire now. I'm not done yet, but just giving it a minute. A lot of sweat going on right now. Not sure if you can really pick that up or not. Looks like it. Just gonna grab some paper towel. One sec. I'm in the kitchen, so it's right here. Another good reason it's not an official challenge, I left the frame. That's funny. Mouth is watering like crazy. Probably not going to be posting this video, to be honest. I'm very spicy. For a guy that just ate a tube of terrors, 2 tube of terrors, sorry, within 1 week. I know I'm having trouble with habaneros. That's funny. All sorts of forehead sweat. Tear. It's probably because of the knife. It's probably because I tainted the peppers. It's the metal. Johnny, you need to make a mother of pearl pepper knife. Oh, I can feel a burp coming up. Maybe I should make a mother of pearl pepper knife, actually. That's a really good idea. Be a lot easier to craft a little piece of knife, a little piece of blade like this, than a whole spoon with a bowl in it and everything. See, I'm gonna give my knife a little twist at the end. I had the idea of making a pepper cutting knife that looked like a pepper. And I had a picture drawn up of what I wanted it to look like. And then I made a cardboard template of that. And just held it in my hand a few times and I was not happy with it. And then a few weeks later, Johnny got his Grimfrost Viking neck knife, which was a gift from his chili mama bird. He got that in the mail, and as soon as I saw that, I changed my design, and I say this is heavily inspired by Grimfrost's Viking neck knife. Don't want to give anybody the impression I'm ripping anybody off. I'm not selling these. Not even making them for anybody as a gift. I just wanted one for myself, and I like to make stuff. Well, I feel like my burn has leveled off a little bit now. Does that mean I should eat another little one? Maybe I'll go for one of the medium-sized ones. I arranged the rows by small, medium, and large. I was going to start with the big ones and work my way down to the small ones. But I forgot. Another nice little orange habanero there. Isn't she a beauty? February. And I'm eating delicious fresh pods. Crunchy. This should kick up my heat level again. I'm probably at like a 2 or a 3 right now. Again, you can see how red my face is now. Let's see what we can do. That was bitter. Oh, bitter floral. I'm usually okay with the bitter and floral stuff, but you don't usually expect it from an orange habanero. I guess you can get variations in anything, but usually they're juicy and sweet and fruity, and then they got a nice sting to them. I still feel like I'm sitting at 3 or 4 maybe. There's still no way I'm going to be able to get these all down. I'm a third of the way through. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Oh, this knife is just covered in oil. I'm not sure if you can pick that up. Kinda, not really. This knife might look dirty, but I actually burnt it with fire as I made it, just to give it a old rustic look. I kind of like the look of that. Yeah. And the cool thing about it is the knife that I cut this out of is still usable too. It's not even ruined. So now I made one knife into 2 knives. Excuse me. Well, this is number 4. I put 9 out. This one's actually got a little bit of black spots at the tip of it, so excuse me. We'll see what it looks like on the inside. It's the best way to cut this. Looks fine on the inside. Maybe like slightly past its prime, but pretty good for sure. Yeah. Well, Orange Habanero number 4. Cheers, guys. Yeah. Yeah. We're getting spicy now. Contemplating whether to just keep going. But I feel like that could also end up really badly. Like pacing yourself is pretty important sometimes. Knowing your limits. You can always eat more, right? That's why I kind of wait a minute or two in between. My tongue is just throbbing with heat right now. Wrap this video up before too terribly long anyway. Girlfriend gets home from work soon. Ooh, that one's got some nasty seeds in it. I'm not sure if you can pick those up or not. But that has got some nasty seeds in it. So I think I'm just going to take all of those seeds out of there. Because I don't want to eat no moldy seeds for sure. That's gross. I've heard people say that there's no way that anything harmful can live in these peppers anyway, but it's just not worth the risk for me. My nose is starting to run a little bit now. There we go. Tears are really starting to come down roll down my face now. Yeah, you can't really see me, I don't think, but definitely looking spicy. Got some red cheeks for sure. Okay, this is number 5. I'm stalling. That one is done. I didn't do this very smartly now, you see, because I wasn't planning on eating this many even once I ate probably my second one. So I started eating the small ones. So now I have the 3 biggest ones left. And a medium-sized one left. I think that one of these might have been from the second row. Oh, 2 of them from the row of big ones. Excuse me, sorry. Starting to feel the spice come through around my eyes now where I'm sweating a lot. My tongue and the back of my throat are still just on fire. And Mr. Scoville will eat this many death spirals, or this many, you name it. I think the death spiral is one of the ones he's done recently. I think there was 9 of them. The roof of my mouth is like throbbing with pain too now. I think I've said this for like the last few peppers, but I think this next one is going to be my last one. Because my face is burning now. And my back doesn't hurt anymore. And that's a nice feeling. When something other than my back is bothering me, and I even like try to feel for my back pain, and you know it's there, but my face is what's really talking to me right now. And yeah, I know. I am stalling again. But hey, I've never eaten this many habaneros on camera before, or at all at once. I've only ever done maybe, I don't know, 2 or 3 habaneros at once. Another beautiful one. Ooh, nice oils going on in there. Look at that glistening. There we go. Sorry, I'm not going to do this on every video, but I'm so stoked that this camera autofocuses, so I'm going to be all about the close-ups for a little while. Hope you're all alright with that. It's better content, right? Is it better content? It's different, that's for sure. This is number 6? This is number 6. I did not think I would get this far once I started into this. Orange Habanero number 6. Cheers, you guys. Okay. Oh. Yeah. I am feeling pretty spicy right now. If you guys like this knife that I'm using, you should go to Grimfrost and buy the real thing. It's got like Grimfrost carved into it in some, I'm not sure what language, to be honest. I haven't looked into its products too much, but it's got a different swoop to the blade. It swoops upwards like that instead of downwards. It's got a way nicer twist at the tail. The sheath is way nicer. It's quality made stuff. I just had some spare stuff laying around and I knew I could make one myself. But I recommend going to Grimfrost. This video has been going for almost half an hour now. It's definitely one of the longer videos on the channel. Up to this point. Oh my goodness. Can't decide whether to keep going or to call it quits. What's one more, I guess, right? I hope you guys are enjoying this content. I really do. Another close-up of another beautiful orange habanero. Boom. Pain is really just throbbing in my mouth right now. Just giving her. Cheers, guys. This is pepper number 7. Yours are on fire too. Okay. Probably back up to another like 6 or 7 out of 10 on the heat scale there. Got a piece of it stuck between my teeth. There you go. Oh, wow. Like underneath my tongue, my entire tongue, my entire mouth is just ripping with fire. Metaphorically, of course. Crying capsaicin. That's a good one. Holy moly. I'm getting so warm now. I gotta tie my hair back properly. Whew. My mouth is watering so much. Okay guys, well, I think I could go further with this, but the heater's just kicking on, so I think I'm going to cut the video off here. Girlfriend's going to be home from work soon too. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to give a video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to HeatMyShorts for more content like this, if you haven't already. And have a great day. I love you all. Cheers, guys.